Hi everybody, welcome back to the lab. Today I have something for you. Uh, Basically, it's one of these things that as you learn, you grow, and I found some settings in OBS that were actually limiting me to 720p as opposed to 1080. So I thought I would post a video, show you my Logi C920 actually running at full 1080p, and I'd also show you my screen capture device and my microscope, which are two other videos that that I had made and was under the impression that I was actually outputting at 1080p. So without further ado, I'll give you a little view. Okay. All right, so here, this is actually looking at my 1.3 megapixel microscope with about 50% magnification, so we'll call it 50 times. And as you can see, it's quite clear. And I'm going to move it around a little bit and show you me working on it. So again, excuse the little bit of background noise as I move over there. I'm capturing this directly in OBS, so there will be no post editing. Okay. All right, not a lot going on there, but just to show you that the screen capture does actually record nicely. There's not a whole lot of jitter, and I found working under the microscope quite beneficial. Now, this is taking advantage of the light ring at about 50%, and I also have a halogen light shining on to give me a little bit better resolution. All right, thanks, and have yourself a great day.